From the golden sands of Al-Hassa to the glowing skyline of the capital, welcome to Riyadh, the heart of Saudi Arabia. This is a city where 2,000 years of history meets a future that's happening right now. My wife and I are spending the next few days exploring everything this transformation has to offer, from the ancient heritage sites to the wildest entertainment zones on the planet. But first, let's talk about where to stay. Is it expensive? Is it worth it? Let's find out. Hit the subscribe button and let's dive into Riyadh. Entering the city, you can feel the energy. Riyadh is on a global center stage and is transforming faster than anywhere else on earth. The highways are stunning, the skyline is world class, and the real question is, where do you recharge after a day of exploring?
When the days change and the nights grow cold, will we trace the same old feelings or let them fold?
Look at the train. Beautiful.
Would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Lower sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world's pulling us apart now.
That's a lovely view of the sunset
Through it all I want is someone.
and the skyline of Riyadh.
Someone to lean on.
After a long drive all the way from Al-Hassa to Riyadh, we finally arrived at our hotel. Welcome to Modrest Hotel. We wanted something that felt modern but inviting, and walking into this room, they really nailed it. Look at the cleanliness. It's spotless. Modrest Hotel is located in a very modest part of the city called Al Mansia in Riyadh.
Do you recall late summer nights?
Check out the sitting area,
Moving through the city under broken lights.
the lounging area,
No plans ahead. Just time to wait.
the television set,
Every little promise fading in the haze. Fading in the haze.
and the coffee bar station.
Minded we don't know it all.
And the bathroom.
Sign,
Beautiful.
go when the ground is shaking under
Clean and fresh towels,
fight.
mirrors,
Someone to lean on. Hands good.
rain shower.
Hearts exposed.
Beautifully done.
Pulling us apart now. Through the noise. Through it all.
The lights, I loved them.
When the
The
days
toilet seat,
change and the nights grow cold.
washing basin, hair dryer,
Let them fold. If the lights
beautiful
fade,
bathroom.
if the road bends wrong, would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Lower sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed.
I couldn't have help but have a second look of the bathroom.
Through it all I want is someone to lean on.
tea lovers and coffee lovers are well sorted out.
Do you recall late summer nights? We were moving through the city under broken lights. No plans ahead, just time to waste. Every little promise fading in the haze. Running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step reminded we don't know it all.
Here is the bedroom. Check out this bed, massive, inviting, exactly what you need after a long drive. What we really loved was the vibe of the architecture, the paintwork, the subtle decorations, and especially the lighting system. It created such a stunning atmosphere. Every detail here feels intentional.
When the days change and the nights
Let's talk numbers. The hotel scene in Riyadh has leveled up. Whether you want high-end luxury or a solid mid-range spot, the options will surprise you. For a room like this at Modrest, you are looking at roughly 300 to 500 Saudi Riyals on booking.com. If you want to go full luxury, expect to start around 600 Riyals and go up from there. Look at Modrest Hotel on booking.com for a selected day. Riyadh isn't the cheapest city, but for the quality you get, the value is definitely there. Continue with us on our channel, Diaries, as we continue to explore different places. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you next time.